What's your English level? Take this test. Ano na ang level ng English mo? Beginner ka pa rin ba? O baka naman intermediate level ka na? O baka masyado ka lang mahusay, kaya naman nasa advanced level ka na pala? Alamin natin. Sa video na ito ay malalaman mo kung ano na ang English level mo. Hello! I am Teacher Aubrey at sa araw na ito ay sasamahan ko kayong sagutin ang English level test na ito na makakatulong para mas maunawaan ninyo kung ano na ba ang level ng English ninyo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 questions na nahahati sa tatlong magkakaibang level. 10 tanong para sa beginner level, 10 tanong para naman sa intermediate level, at ang huling 10 tanong ay para sa advanced level. Ipapakita ko ang tanong at mayroon kayong 5 segundo para pag-isipan ang inyong sagot. Kung kulang pa sa inyo ang oras, pwede pa ninyong ihinto ang video para mas mapag-isipan ang inyong sagot at saka ninyo ipagpatuloy. Mahalagang paalala, natandaan ninyo ang bilang ng tamang sagot ninyo. Maaari kayong kumuha ng papel at ballpen para isulat yung mga sagot at bilang ng score ninyo. Gayun din ay ipapaliwanag ko ang grammar at vocabulary sa bawat tanong para mas maunawaan ninyo kung bakit tama o mali ang naging sagot ninyo. Ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Simulan na natin. Beginner level, questions 1 to 10. Ang unang 5 tanong ay para sa beginner level or A1 level. Number 1. Peter is player in the team. A, the stronger. B, the strongest. C, the most strong. The correct answer is letter B, the strongest. Peter is the strongest player in the team. We use the superlative form of an adjective or adverb to compare 3 or more things. Ginagamit natin ang superlative form o tinatawag nating pasukdol in Filipino kapag ang isang adjective or adverb ay ikukumpara natin sa 3 o higit pang mga bagay. We add est at the end of one-syllable adjectives to make their superlative form. At nagdadagdag tayo ng suffix na est sa hulihan ng isang one-syllable adjective para magawa siyang nasa pasukdol na uri. Number 2. Do you have umbrella? A, an. B, the. C, no article needed. The correct answer is letter A, an. Do you have an umbrella? We use a or an when we mention something for the first time, or it is an article. Ginagamit din natin ang a and an para sa mga bagay na iisa lamang ang bilang. We use a kapag ang kasunod ay mayroong consonant sound, lahat ng letters maliban sa a, e, i, o, u, and an kung ang kasunod na sound ng salita ay nag-uumpisa sa vowel sounds or a, e, i, o, u. We cannot use singular countable nouns alone without a, the, or my. Number 3. Look at men over there. Do you recognize them? A, that. B, those. C, these. The correct answer is letter B, those. Look at those men over there. Do you recognize them? Over there means not near or not here. And we use that or those for things that are not near. Kapag sinabi nating over there, ibig sabihin yan ay hindi malapit o hindi naririto, not here, kundi naroroon, doon. Okay? At ginagamit naman natin ang that or those or doon para sa mga bagay na malayo sa atin. That and those para sa bagay na malayo, this and these para sa malalapit. The word men is plural and we use those with plural nouns. Ang ginamit natin sa pangungusap ay men o mga lalaki, which is marami, kaya ang ginamit natin ay those. Number 4, my sister, a lot. A, doesn't travel. B, don't travels. C, doesn't travels. The correct answer is letter A, doesn't travel. My sister doesn't travel a lot. We make negative sentences with do not, or the contraction of it is don't. Gagamitin po natin ang verb na do para po sa mga subjects na I, you, we, they, o anumang plural subject. Kaya we should say, I do not, or I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. Or gagamitin naman natin ang does kapag ang subject natin ay he, she, and it, o anumang singular subject. So we say, he doesn't, or he does not, she doesn't, or she does not, it doesn't, or it does not, plus a verb, alright? And when we use does or doesn't, the verb doesn't change. For example, she doesn't work. It's wrong to say she doesn't works, okay? We don't say she doesn't works, alright? Number 5. On weekends, A, are you? B, are you working? C, do you work? The correct answer is letter C, do you work? Do you work on weekends? We use the present simple for habits or actions that we repeat regularly. Ginagamit natin ang present simple kapag tutukoy tayo sa mga bagay na palaging ginagawa or mga habit, regular na ginagawa. Are you work is not a verb tense. Kapag nakakita tayo ng are you work, hindi siya verb tense at mali po iyon, okay? So, sa sentence natin na do you work on weekends, we use present simple because we say weekends, and that only means na tuwing sasapit ang weekends o tuwing sasapit ang Sabado at Linggo. So, that's a habit. That's a repeated action. Present simple, do you work? Kapag sinabi naman natin, are you working? That's present continuous. But in this sentence, since it's a habit, that's why we use present simple. So we say, do you work on weekends? Ngayon naman ay magtungo na tayo sa pangalawang 5 tanong para sa beginner level or A2 level. Number 6. They threw a rock, the window, and broke the glass. A, through. B, across. C, into. The correct answer is letter A, through. They threw a rock through the window and broke the glass. We use through to talk about movement from one side to the other side of something and in and out of something. Ginagamit po natin ang salitang through kapag ang pag-uusapan natin ay isang kilos or movement mula sa isang lugar patungo sa kabila pang lugar, from one side to the other side of something. O kapag gusto rin nating tumukoy na yung bagay na yun ay lumabas mula dun sa loob. In this case, the stone went from one side to the other side of the window. So dun sa pangungusap natin, yung bato mula sa loob, lumabas siya sa bintana and in and out of the glass. So that's it. Number 7. I football for 20 years, but I had to stop because of my bad knee. Letter A, have played. B, played. C, was played. The correct answer is letter B, played. I played football for 20 years, but I had to stop because of my bad knee. I played football in the past, but I don't play anymore. We use the past simple with how long, for, since to talk about actions or situations that started and finished in the past. Sa pangungusap natin na ito ay sinasabi na ginawa niya yun sa nakaraan, yung paglalaro ng football, pero hindi niya na ginagawa ngayon, or simply, it's a past simple action. Ibig sabihin, tapos na sa nakaraan. Ginagamit din natin ang past simple sa mga salita gaya ng how long, kapag tumutukoy, gaano kahaba ginawa yung kilos. Also for the word for or since kapag gusto nating pag-usapan gaano katagal ginawa yung kilos. Okay? And we use the present perfect with how long. This time naman, present perfect, ginagamit siya for how long, for, and since. When we are going to talk about actions or situations that started in the past and still continue now, pwede pa rin natin gamitin yung words na how long, for, and since kapag may mga kilos na nagsimula sa nakaraan at nagpapatuloy sa kasalukuyan for present perfect tense. Pero kapag tapos na yung kilos, that's past simple. Number 8. Sugar do you take in your coffee? A. How long? B. How much? C. How many? The correct answer is letter B. How much? How much sugar do you take in your coffee? We use how much to ask about quantity with uncountable nouns. Ginagamit po natin ang expression or question words na how much kapag magtatanong tayo kung gaano karami yung isang uncountable nouns o yung pangalan o yung mga bagay na hindi natin kayang mabilang katulad na lamang ng coffee, sugar, at iba pang kahalintulad nito. Number 9. He was upset because her computer. A. Broke. B. Was broken. C. Had broken. The correct answer is letter C. Had broken. He was upset because her son had broken her computer. Nagalit siya dahil ang anak niyang lalaki ay nasira ang kanyang computer. We use the past perfect when we are talking about the past. And then, we want to talk about something that happened earlier in the past. Sa pangungusap na ito, had broken her computer, gumamit po tayo ng past perfect tense. At ginagamit natin ang past perfect tense kapag may pinag-uusapan tayong bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan at gusto nating pag-usapan yung isa pang bagay na naunang nangyari bago yung isa pang bagay na natapos sa nakaraan. We make the past perfect with this formula. Una, kailangan natin ng word na had for positive, had not kung negative naman, plus the verb in its past participle. Kung ang verb ay regular verb, magdadagdag lang tayo ng ed to make it past participle. Pero kung ito ay irregular verb, gagamitin natin yung third column na tinatawag natin for irregular verb. So the example we have is had plus broken, had broken. Last, number 10 for beginner level, a car if I lived nearby. A. Didn't need. B. Wouldn't need. C. Won't need. The correct answer is letter B. Wouldn't need. I wouldn't need a car if I lived nearby. This is a second conditional sentence. Kabilang po ito sa tinatawag nating second conditional sentence. Ano po ba yung second conditional sentence? The second conditional sentence is a structure used to talk about present or future impossible or imaginary situations. Ginagamit po natin yung second conditional structure para tumukoy sa mga bagay na pwedeng mangyari ngayon o sa hinaharap which are impossible or hindi magkakatotoo o nasa imahinasyon lamang ng mga pangyayari. We use past in the if clause. Doon sa if clause, past tense ang gagamitin natin. At doon naman sa main clause natin, we need to have the word would or wouldn't plus the verb in base form. So, there you have it. Ilan ang nakuha mong tamang sagot? Kung ikaw ay nakakuha ng 8 puntos pataas, hindi ka nakabilang sa beginner level. Maaari mo nang ipagpatuloy ang pagsagot sa English level test na ito para malaman mo kung saang level ka kabilang. Kung ang nakuha mo naman ay mababa na sa 8 puntos, ibig sabihin ay kabilang ka pa sa beginner level. Pero huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Yes, huwag kang mag-alala. Maaari ka pang magsanay para mas mapaghusay mo pa ang English mo.